Hi all, today we're talking about our brand new Optimate Solar Duo 20 watt car kit. It contains everything you need to charge and maintain your car's battery using solar power. And it all fits in this handy carry case. Inside our carry case is everything you need to maintain your car's battery. You have a 20 watt solar panel with 4 suction cups so you can stick it onto your window. You have our 5 amp Solar Duo smart controller suited for both 12 volt lead acid and 12 volt lithium batteries, and there's 2 ways to connect to your car's battery. You have the battery clips if you can directly connect to your battery, and you have this OBD2 connection where you can use your OBD2 diagnostics port to charge and maintain your car's battery.